Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to log in to TikTok on your laptop. So the first thing you do is go to your search bar and type in Chrome and you'll open up your browser. So here is the opened up browser. Next, what you'll do is on the address bar, you'll type in tiktok.com and hit enter. So this is the TikTok web page opened on the browser. So even if you're not logged in, it will still show you some videos. To log in, you'll see a button on the left side, which is a red button. You click on login. And here you will have different options. You can log in using QR code from your phone, email or username, Facebook or Gmail account or Apple account. You can choose any option you want. I'm going to log in with my Gmail account. And here is my Gmail account, and I'm going to log in using one of them. So after finishing the security verifications, we are logged in. So this is how you log in into TikTok on your laptop device. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.